Hello Dawn Hunters! Welcome back to the channel! As William is fighting the current with our 1-horse electric motor.
3-horse.
3-horse. Oh, sorry little guy.
Forgot 2 other horses.
I always underestimate my men. Our boat has been a disaster.
We got the sail drive in, launched the boat. I had to go test drive it. When we did, something went boom, smoke, oil all over the engine compartment, and it looks like we blew a valve seal. So the motor is completely in pieces.
Well, we still have one, but that doesn't help us. Till the motor is fixed, we are sort of landlocked. So I made this man, and I had to use all my power to go crab hunting! There is a crab season and we're gonna go and
try to catch blue crab.
Supper! Let's see what happens.
Break your chains off. So we are fighting like a 6-knot current. Actually, the little electric motor is overcoming it, which was a good test. And we still have 6 hours to go. Hold on!
Hold on, crabs! We're coming! No, not that. Beware, crabs! We are coming!
I think I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I think officially we're going to get the award for the tiniest dinghy in the marina. Actually, I think in all of Thailand.
Actually, I think we're about to hit this rocks.
See one.
Alright, so let's get closer. That's not where they're supposed to be, but let's see. Maybe there is some on the rocks. Unloading, unloading.
Grab the tree.
Grab the tree. Ah, hopefully there are no poisonous snakes around here. Do I have to tie the boat or not?
I'll come back and get you.
Are you sure you're gonna get me or you're gonna leave me here behind? Crabs, where are you? I'm ready to go and find the crabs. Crabs! Well, there are holes here, which is good because I feel like the crabs can be hiding here. I've seen a lot of fishermen here in the last couple of days. Might be the case that they are looking for crabs here. I see an abandoned fishing shack. How cool is that? Another one right there. Oh, and also guys, they catch fish here with bamboo poles. That just shows us how little do you actually need to fish. Don't need those fancy roads that you guys have. William is following me with a boat. I'm going to this fishing shack. Is a pickup point available?
They're right there.
You see the crab?
Yeah, but every time you're talking, they're all hiding. Yeah, they just crawl into the rocks.
So where are they? They're here?
They already went under the rocks.
So guys, look, this is a second fishing shack. There's water bottles here for whatever reason. I have no idea why. All right, I guess we're gonna go try and see them in some more accessible place. Look at this uninhabited beach. Beautiful, fantastic. Write me in the comments what other cool words I can use. I want all those comments down below and I'm going to be using your words.
She's been in the boatyard for too long.
Ooh, paradise. Ooh. Ooh.
I didn't find a crab, but I have a croc. Where else can you find a secluded beach and no supper and no water? Quick, rescue. First rescue of the day. Oh no, he's peeing.
I don't know how much this is secluded because there is a hotel right up there.
There has been nobody living in that thing for years. It's abandoned. Look at all the things are breaking down. Let's just hope it doesn't come down at this moment.
Yeah, that's like abandoned hotel.
That's insane. Oh, sorry.
It is insane if you're wondering. My uncle once told me that every man wants to have a woman that is always in awe. Awe? Is that what you're saying?
Always in what?
In awe. Like, wow,
in awe.
amazing.
In awe, not
In
owie. Owie is when you're little and you cut your foot. You are amazing. Only one word.
I'm insane.
Well,
I've been having a misluck, if there is a word like this, with my drones in Thailand. Drone number 1 went in the water when we were on the way to Phi Phi Island. Drone number 2 went in the water when we were in PP Island. So today I bought drone number 3, the cheapest one they have. So let's see if this is gonna work out today or not. Any bets?
The good thing is we have like maybe 10 batteries now and some controllers, so we keep finding the old model, which equals the old models that we had, and we have spares.
Wow guys, we haven't found crabs yet, but we just found... What? Can we get closer? Oh my gosh, this is like our own perfect little cave. We can just hide here forever and live here in this little cave.
Imagine we might be hiding here when this squall hits us.
Oh look, there is a crab right there, the little one. That is so cool.
Supper. See him? His head?
Yes, he's right there. Oh my gosh, we have to take different camera. Wait, are you gonna come back for me or not? What? It was a piece of wood. I think I scared all the crabs with my scream. Look at this, thousands of years, this water just coming here, washing away the stone to make this path. And look at all the shells here inside.
So Mrs. Safari in here is drastically trying to swim because she's wandering around with Crocs on. Only a chance for disaster.
I don't see the crabs. The moment I came here, they all disappeared. I'm too big.
How's supper coming along?
All the crabs left.
Right
And,
there. Look at right here.
Oh my god. Yeah, you're right. Wait. Is he coming my way or what?
No, he went down. You know that fishermen are not allowed to come home without a catch?
I'm your catch. You can come back home. Every time I would try and get close with my camera, they would just disappear. Sneaky crabs. You saw more crabs, William, from far than as I was there.
Because we're stealth.
You and your electric motor?
Oh no, we caught a line. Dinghy's not working. Storm's coming.
We need to find the shore. Oh wow, there are like trees in the water. Oh, that is insane. Every time I'm editing the video, only one word I'm saying, no, 2. Wow and insane. William is not teaching me new words.
Well, we have a storm coming, so we should be prepared where we're going to duck inside in case we have torrential winds and rain.
That looks like an abandoned boat. Maybe that's where we're gonna hide.
Maybe. I don't like hiding by boats that already crashed.
Superstition. More than
Looks
one.
like a boat junkyard.
What's going on here? There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boats. Guys. Oh my gosh.
Boat parts.
This is crazy. No, this is totally nuts. See how many words I have?
It looks to me like we have uncovered a boat graveyard. Probably boats that were damaged, either the tsunami or storms or something, but they're tucked back here where no one would ever find them unless they were doing what we're doing.
It always makes me sad to think about the owners, you know, where are they? Are they ill? Are they dead? Potentially. Wow, this is insane. This is crazy. I can walk the plank. Wow, it's full of water.
So how's it feel standing on a sinking ship? Just hope that it's never us.
It feels quite weird. I feel like something gonna jump out on me. I actually can see toilet right there.
Ooh, that one's moving. See it?
Yeah, it is moving.
I think the tide's coming in.
You know, I think this boat is moving too. I better get back for real. Sorry, I know that was your foot. Woo, abandoned boat!
Can't eat a boat for supper.
No. Crabs! Okay, didn't catch any crabs.
Looks like Thai food for dinner.
But at least we did see 3 abandoned boats. Where do you see that? That's sick.
That's sick?
I don't know. Write those comments. Remember, write those comments. Help Yana to expand
Increase
her
her
language.
vocabulary. We did see crabs, but they were much craftier than the crab catcher.
Yeah, and they were just too small. They were not the blue crabs either.
No? There is a 67-foot catamaran here that looks like a dinghy compared to this sailboat. This thing is longer than the dock. This is over 120-foot long sailboat. The mast you'd hit with an airplane. Come on, little guy. We now have 6 knots of current, and I do not want to hit that boat. I don't think we'd hurt it.
We've been sleeping in the last couple of days in this other cabin instead of our master cabin because our air conditioner has been broken. And William's supposed to install a new air conditioner. So I guess we're gonna go and see how he's going in that unair conditioned room, probably sweating to death. How is it going?
Well, this is the master bedroom, and we should be doing something in this bed other than fixing air conditioning. There's a whole bunch of shells in the input line, and it runs for a little bit and cuts out. Try to flush the thing out, and I can't get the shells out, so I decided to just take the air conditioning unit completely out so I can take it on the dock and acid wash it.
How did the shells even got there? I thought air conditioner has a filter.
Normally when you're changing the filter, go pull the bilge open and take a look at there.
This guy forgets that I don't change the filters, he does.
This guy forgets that my wife forgets everything. I showed her where the filters were about 3 months ago. No, it's not that one. Not that one either.
Well, there is water in the bilge. Where are the shells? Oh my gosh. This is insane. And I know I always say that because that's the only word I know. And why there is a water here?
Well, when I pull out the filter and the hoses, naturally all the water and some shells came out. So now we have to clean the whole bilge while we're at it. If you can't get something off, just cut the damn thing. Worry about it later. I've been wanting to put a DC air conditioner on a boat for the last 15 years. If we can find one somewhere here, that's what's going back in here.
Why did I get a back position here?
Because you're the young one.
Oh, wow, this is crazy.
Pretty quick little guy. Ready? You were filming him, he's gonna go running.
Ah! Oh no, where's his house? Run, little guy, run!
Now we know where they are. Let's go for big rocks. So we have heard that if you come out here when the tide goes away, you can look under the rocks, and that's where they're hiding.
Yesterday it was an epic failure. There is somebody definitely inside. Ooh.
He's camera shy.
I think we should go more that way.
This is a complete, amazing ecosystem. Look at how many possible meals there are out here.
Oh, it's moving. Okay. This is too deep for this stone. I'm not gonna go there with my fingers.
Well, put your finger in there. He'll grab it, and then you can just pull him out.
Look at the sky that is mirroring in the water. This is so beautiful. Fantastic. Wow. And there might be a crab.
I have officially found a monster that went in the hole, and this little area has a bunch of big ones. I'm going to show you his house.
Here's the stick. I'll take the camera. Don't lose the hand.
I don't think that you use sticks to catch crabs. He's way down in there somewhere. This is pretty cool. Look at this. Goes in there, and he comes out here, and this is where he throws his trash. So somewhere in here is his domain. And here's another one of his homes. I just saw him dive down inside.
I think there is no crab there just in general.
I think it goes pretty deep.
I'll show him. I'm gonna poke my stick in each of these domains.
He's there, but you think that he's survived by someone coming with a stick all these years? We're doing as good at crabs as we do at fishing. There's got to be a way. We have to figure out. Got to ask people how this is done.
Well, there's just me and you here. Not many people to ask other than crabs. Come, I'll show you the best place. I don't think we are catching any crabs, but there is a beautiful place. Looks like Stone Age.
Listen, you hear nothing. Nothing. Being maybe on Mars or somewhere. Amazing nature.
And your wife!
I am going to use this as an opportunity to clean my feet.
Nothing gonna help this. You know, like how those YouTubers love to say, if anyone wants to send you sneakers.
Don't send white ones.
I'll wash them.
Like, subscribe, send your friends, and send us very good vibes that we get our boat engine running and we can get off this dinosaur land and get back to sailing.
Off the ground. This crab hunt was a disaster. So sorry guys, I dragged you with us. You know, it's not about the catch, it's about the journey.
Right. Welcome to my world.
Hopefully he didn't disappoint you, because we didn't end up this video with a nice meal.
We're
of a
about
crab.
to.